When we look at the grand tree of evolution, we often celebrate the giants, dinosaurs, elephants, whales, and humans. But sometimes, it's the smallest branches that hold the most power. Bees are one such branch. Tiny, buzzing, and often unnoticed. Bees are among the most important lifeforms on Earth today. Bees belong to the order Hymenoptera, the same group that includes wasps and ants. But somewhere around 100 million years ago, a group of ancient wasp-like insects took a different path. Instead of hunting other insects, they began feeding on nectar and collecting pollen from flowers. This shift not only changed their diet, but rewired their entire biology and behavior. This was also the time when flowering plants, angiosperms, were beginning to dominate Earth's ecosystems. Bees and flowers formed a silent partnership. Flowers offered nectar and pollen, and bees, in return, helped them reproduce by carrying pollen from one bloom to another. This mutual relationship led to a massive explosion of plant diversity, and the rise of pollinators, like bees, became crucial for entire ecosystems. How many types of bees are there? There are over 20,000 known species of bees, and most of them don't live in hives or produce honey. Honeybees and bumblebees are just a small part of the bee world. The majority are solitary bees, living alone in the ground, wood, or plant stems. Each has its own role in pollinating different kinds of plants. Bees and human survival. Let's make it simple. No bees, no food. Roughly 75% of the food we eat relies on pollination, and bees are the most efficient pollinators on the planet. They ensure we have fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts, and even the cotton we wear. Coffee, apples, almonds, cucumbers, onions, oranges, the list goes on. And it's not just about what we eat. Bees help wild plants reproduce too, plants that provide shelter, oxygen, and food to countless animals. In many ways, bees are at the center of the web of life. Despite their importance, bees are in danger, and it's our fault. 1. Pesticides and chemicals. Neonicotinoid pesticides damage bees' brains, reducing their ability to navigate and remember floral locations. Even small amounts can be lethal. 2. Habitat loss. As we cut down forests and convert natural land into cities or monoculture farms, bees lose their natural homes and food sources. 3. Climate change. Warmer temperatures and unpredictable weather disturb blooming patterns. Flowers bloom too early or too late, and bees arrive at the wrong time. This mismatch leads to starvation. 4. Diseases and parasites. Mites like Varroa destructor and pathogens like Nosema infect bee colonies, making them weak and vulnerable. 5. Colony collapse disorder. Entire bee colonies are suddenly disappearing, especially in managed honeybee populations. The exact cause is complex, a mix of pesticides, stress, diseases, and poor nutrition. Why should this matter to us? Because saving bees means saving ourselves. If bees disappear, food production could fall drastically. Prices will rise. Malnutrition will increase. Entire ecosystems will weaken. And we will lose the delicate balance that has kept nature thriving for millions of years. What can we do? Even small actions matter. We can avoid using chemical pesticides and herbicides in our gardens. Plant native flowering plants that bloom in different seasons to support bees year-round. Support local, organic, and bee-friendly farms. Spread awareness through videos like this, community talks, or school education. Protect wild bee habitats. Fallen logs, bare soil patches, and plant diversity matter. In the end, the buzz of a bee is a signal, a heartbeat of the natural world. It's easy to forget something so small, but without them, the silence that follows won't just be the absence of sound, it will be the fading of life itself. Let's not allow that buzz to go silent.